everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lacquer Lover, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to do the simple yet impactful BTS UGH inspired design. Start off by applying base coat. I'm using unpeel off base coat so that I can peel it off and save it for memories. Then paint all of your nails black. Then apply a layer of top coat to seal in this black layer. Next, I'm taking white polish to lay down the foundation of our letters, which will form the word oop or So I'm drawing the letters kind of in a slanted font just because I thought that fit best with the song and the vibe that it gave me. But of course you can choose the font that you like, but essentially I'm going to be writing one letter on each nail from the index nail to my ring nail, and then I'm going to be doing something different on the pinky fingernail. Next, I'm going back in with black polish to add a horizontal slash through the letters, and you want to make sure that they sort of line up. And once you have that in place, then you're going to color in the white parts with a neon green polish. And the inspiration for the neon green was their outro to your stage at the Love Yourself, Speak Yourself concerts. Next, I'm taking a medium green polish and lining that slash, and basically that just gives more depth to the slash and it shows sort of a rupture of the letter, so I use white as well. And then on top I'm also going to go over with some black. And on the pinky fingernail, I'm taking a chrome polish and laying down the base of a bullet, and you want to make sure this bullet is around the size of the slash that you drew. And I'm taking a darker chrome and a light chrome to add some shadows and highlights. With white polish, we're just going to draw a few lines and curves to show the movement of the bullet. On the thumbnail, I'm going to be using white polish like I did for the rest of the nails to lay down the foundation for the Korean character oop. So once I had that in place, I colored it in, and then I missed a bit that was extending out of the horizontal, which I did add, as you guys can see here. And then I added in the last part of this character, which is the kiok, and that very conveniently looks like a gun, and I did this with chrome polish, of course. Now all you have to do is apply a generous layer of top coat and you're done. So that is it for my BTS UGH or inspired design. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video and found it helpful if you are going to recreate it. If you do, let me know, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye everyone!